Hello everyone, I am going to explain about distribution requirement planning. Imagine walking into a store and always find exactly what you need without overstocking with shelves or empty spaces. How do businesses achieve this balance? The answer lies in distribution requirement planning. DRP is a systematic approach used by businesses to ensure that the right products are available at the right locations at the right time while minimizing cost. Today, I will explain what DRP is, how it works, and why planning is critical. DRP is a planning system used to manage inventory distribution across multiple locations in a supply chain. It determines when and how much inventory should be moved between warehouses, distribution centers, and retail stores. Think of it as a roadmap that ensures smooth product roadmap flow from manufacturers to customers. The planning process in DRP relies on carefully planning and forecasting to maintain balance between supply and demand. Demand forecasting using past sales data and trends to predict future demand. Inventory controls setting optimal stock levels to avoid shortage of excess inventory. Replenishment planning, lead time management, collaboration with suppliers, ensuring smooth coordination between suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors. Why DRP planning is important? Effective DRP planning ensures that cost reduction, avoid unnecessary shortage costs and transformation expenses. Customer satisfaction ensures products are available when needed. Insufficient supply chain reduces dis- disruptions by optimizing product movement. Better decision making helps businesses to react quickly to demand changes. As we know all about the DRP, that is DRP is very important and plays a crucial role in planning the inventory of each product because of the customer demands are very high on peak and the supply from the manufacturer or supplier gets down, so the impact of it lies between the distribution planning for the requirements of the customer are very useful because of the growth of the company, and also it plays a crucial role in expanding the business. Also, the inventory control, it gets very crucial because of no supply from the customers, no supply from the suppliers or manufacturers to the customer on time is very different because of they suffer they suffer troubles and the customer gets trouble, so we also face the trouble. So the conclusion is that in today's fast paced world, planning is everything, so we can't do anything without planning. So the planning according to distribution requirements planning, because the planning is the most important part in the today's fast-paced world. Without a strong DRP system, business risks losing customers due to stock outs or financial losses from excess inventory. By using forecasting, inventory control, and strategic replenishment, companies can achieve smooth operations and long-term success. So, for the success of the company, it is very important to work according to the planning of distribution requirements. The requirements must known by the suppliers, and the fulfillment of the requirements of the customer is the key to the success of the business. So for getting the business successful, we should plan things accordingly and act accordingly. So that's it. Thank you very much for listening me. Thank you.